Hello friends, welcome back to my training channel. If you are a new viewer in my channel, just visit nicholasminder.com. There you can find intraday and position and some useful scanners for intraday and position trading. Okay, let's go for our topic. How to find out false breakout. Let's see. As you know, every day morning just before market open, I posting the level stock on watch after 9:20. Axis Bank. Yesterday I posted Axis Bank, DHFL, and Tata Steel. And every day just before market open, I'm posting this three stocks with the support and resistance level. Okay, and if you didn't join my channel so far, just search Nicholas Nilo on Telegram, or I will give the link below in the description box. Just click it and join it. Okay. In yesterday case, Axis Bank, I given 764.40 and 759.50. Just mark that level on the chart. $764.40. Then 759.50. Okay. See, here you can see every day I'm just telling after 9:20. That means opening 5 minutes we are not doing any trade. Just mark the levels on these three stocks on the chart. I'm using 5 years chart, and if you wish to open 5 years trading account, just click the link below in the description box and you can open free trading account with the 5 years. Okay, yesterday I given this level 764.40 and 759.50. It doesn't mean that once it's break this level go for buy, and 759 break this level go for sell. Some people, sometimes we get these levels, buy above this level, sell below this level, and what we do is, suppose 764.40, we just buffer 10 or 20 paise, stop loss buy order above this level. See, in this case, if you place order like that, it will be hit and your stop loss will be triggered. Okay, so that's why in my trading I didn't place any stop loss buy order and sell order below this level. I just wait how candle is react once it touch this level. That's why opening 5 minutes I'm not going to do any trade, I'm just watching. See, if you following my channel regularly, you know about how to trade with these levels. Okay, opening 5 minutes I'm not going to do any trade. It just hit our resistance level and comes down, and this candle, you can see the candle is closed below our support level. That means 759.50, it's closed. So next candle opening we are going to sell. See, 759 point opening is 758.50. That is our sell level. See, next candle itself, it comes down to 753.05. 2 to 3 points is enough. If you are a small trader, every day you will get 2 to 3 points. If you are following this channel, you know about that one. Every day 2 to 3 points is confirmed. Or you can trail the stop loss. Sometimes you will get jackpot like this. See, 758 it comes down to 747. Okay. Maximum 2 to 3 trade as per this strategy. Next stocks we are going to select. So this is the one of the method, that means false breakout. How to find out false breakout? Don't place any buy or sell order above these levels. You just wait it how market is react once it's touch this level. Sometimes we get a calls that buy above this level, sell below this level just before market open. So what we do is we just place buy above, stop loss buy order above that level, and stop loss buy order, sell order below that level. So sometimes it's favor to us, it will be hit and keep on moving up. Sometimes it's hit down and keep on moving downside, but most of the time is just touch like this and comes down and hit our stop loss. That's why you just mark the levels on the chart and just wait for how market is react. Is that false or strong? In this case, it's break the resistance, and it's not a strong one. That's why it comes down, and it's break the support also. And see, the candle is strong selling. That's why it's closed below the line. So what we do is we go for sell the next candle opening. In a stock DHFL, 148.80, 146.10. See, here also you can see it just break the resistance level. Most of the people are placing buy order just above this level. If that got triggered and stop loss will be hit. So what we do is you just mark the levels on the chart and wait how market is the 5 minutes candle is react. So here and this candle is closing below the level. That's as per our strategy. Once it's closed below this level, we are go for sell. But next candle it's again goes up. So what we do is just exit this position and go for buy here. Okay, and it's a little bit that means 146.30, it's going to 147.30, just 1 point. Again it comes down. See, then what we do is if you're holding the position, then go again you are going to sell. Okay, 145.50, and it will be crashed like this. See, sometimes you will get confused more if one candle is closed below this level and next candle is closed above this level and another candle is closed below. That time what you do is just change to 50 minutes. Okay, then change to 50 minutes candle. Here you can see this candle is just closed below this level. Okay, you can, if you go for sell, then next candle is closed above this level, then go for buy, and this candle is a strong sell, then go for sell again. Maximum 2 to 3 trade. Here first we are selling here and exit and again go for buy here. Then the third trade, that's this one. Here we are going for sell. That means sometimes more candles are closing above or below this line. That time you just change the time frame. Here one candle is closed below this line and next candle is closed above. So we are getting confused about what to do in this type of trading. So then just change to 50 minutes and watch it. 50 minutes we get the clean trend. Okay, it's a closing above, and then go for buy, and it will just go for 1 rupees. Then again it's crashed, it comes down, then go for sell. Okay, and it comes down. So whatever loss you make here, this trade help to recover that in extra profit also. Okay, and one more stocks, Tata Steel, 525 and 560.60. 560.60. See here. So here for second candle is closing above the level, then you can go for buy. That's 526.40 level. Okay, here 526.15. Again then it goes up to 546.40. So I just recommended to 1 to 163 to 2 to 3 points you can exit it. Sometimes we will get jackpot like this. So if you are trail the stop loss, then chance to get huge profit. So what I going to tell you that how to find out false breakout means. See, if you are if you get this level 525 and 560.60, and if you are placing stop loss buy and stop loss below 560.60 level, it will be hitting the cells. You can see it's just at the level and goes up. That's why I recommend that opening 5 minutes don't place any order. You just draw these levels on the chart. Then also you are not going to place any order, stop loss buy and sell order. You just watch how market is react once it touch these levels. Here it's break both support and resistance level, and it's just touch the support and goes up and break the resistance, and next candle it's strong and it will be closed above the resistance level, then we can confirm that okay, it will be goes up, we can take buy. This candle closing we can take buy and it will be goes. And in the DHFL case you can see first just it touch the resistance and comes down, and this candle is closed below the line. Okay, then we are go for sell, and next candle is just comes down again goes up, then again we are go for buy here. Okay, then it's a little bit going up, then again it comes down, here we are going to sell again. Sometimes more candles are closing below or above this level, then suppose in this case if this candle is closed below this level, we think that okay, it will be comes down but it will goes up again. Okay, then we cut the position and take buy again. And then again any candle is closed below this line, then we will get confused. That time you just do one thing, change to 50 minutes and follow these levels. Okay, okay, we are taking buy here, then wait for the next breakout. Okay, here this closing, the candle is closing here, then just go for sell. Otherwise you can follow this 5 minutes is good. Sometimes more candles are closing this above or below this line, that time only suppose first candle is closing below, next candle is closing above, that case you just change the time frame to 50 minutes. That is the one method for finding the false breakout. Okay, 50 minutes we get clear trend, clear idea about the market movement. That's why I recommend to trade after 9:20 to avoid this false breakout. And I'm not Axis Bank 764.40 or 759.50. This doesn't mean that don't place order above this level and below this level. You just mark the levels on the chart and just watch how market is react once it touch these levels. Okay, and I'm recommend to use 5 minutes. 5 minutes is good for this strategy. And suppose in first candle is closed below and second candle is closed above, that case only you just change the time frame to 50 minutes, or else you can follow this 5 minutes. That's very good. Hope you get some idea about this, for how to find out this false breakout. This is a I don't know is there any indicator to find out this false breakout. I following this method, and if you feel that it's a good one, you can also follow this method. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. And if you wish to join Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Milo on Telegram, or I will give the link below in the description box of the video. You just click it and join it. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.